We've been getting you details about how VK Sashikala, lodged at the Parapana Agrahara jail, has been hospitalized at the Bowring Government Hospital in Bengaluru after slight health complications. We're getting you the latest visuals now of Sashikala as she was wheeled into the Bowring Hospital. We understand that it's nothing serious. She had a slight temperature as well as a cough, after which she was taken to the hospital in an ambulance. She was first shifted to the hospital in Parapana Agrahara within the prison and then taken to the Bowring Government Hospital. Seems to be more of a precautionary step because she's got slight temperature and a cough. But these are the visuals that we're getting to you also of Sashikala being taken in an ambulance. We've also got visuals of her being wheeled into the hospital, which we will play out in just a bit. Nolan Pinto is joining us with more details on this. Nolan, any statement that's been put out, any medical bulletin that's been put out by the hospital on exactly what's ailing Sashikala?
Well, in fact, Akshita, she's just been brought over here, so we'll have to wait for the hospital to come out or the hospital authorities to give us some sort of information. But from what we are gathering from our sources is that she was not well yesterday itself. Yesterday afternoon, she was actually shifted to the prison hospital. And thereafter, when the authorities believed that it was necessary to bring her over here, the Bowring Hospital authorities received information at around 2 o'clock in the afternoon that she would be brought to the Bowring Hospital from the Parapana Agrahara Central Prison at about 4 o'clock in the evening. Though it took some time, she is over here. Now we are also getting information that she has symptoms that are very akin to someone suffering from COVID. This is what sources as of now actually tell us. So we just have to wait for the authorities to give us more information. She has just entered the Bowring Hospital as of now, as we speak.
Nolan, can you just repeat that point that you made also about coronavirus? She's got slight temperature, a cough. Is she going to be tested next?
She will be tested for COVID because her symptoms that she had, the saturation had dropped. This is the information we are getting. She had fever, she had cough and cold. This is one of the reasons why they decided they do not want to take any chances, and that's why they actually brought her over here. She will be first tested for COVID. This is the information we are getting.
Any details at this point, Nolan, on how long she could perhaps be in hospital or whether this will delay her release? She was scheduled to be released in a few days from now, about 7 days on January 27th. Any statement that's coming from the prison officials as well?
Well, the prison officials are tight-lipped as of now because, God forbid, if she actually has COVID, she would be in this hospital over here. Because we do not know what the authorities might do, whether she'll be actually asked to be quarantined in the hospital, depends on her condition, or be sent to another hospital. So we just have to actually wait.
Apologies, we've lost a connection with Nolan. You've got these visuals that are coming in from the Bowring Hospital. Sashikala has been hospitalized there. Slight temperature, cough. There is a worry that it could be COVID, but at this point, the test is yet to be done. But she's been hospitalized as a precautionary measure at this point.